everyone, welcome to the Plug Your Money Leaks workshop. What the heck am I talking about, plug your money leaks? As business owners, we all have areas where we lose money, where we tend not to do what we know we should do because we don't really like it. And so even business owners who are making a lot of money also have money leaks. Those are the areas that we don't do as well in and we're losing out on money. Now, if you have ADHD, I'm sure you've experienced the ADHD tax, where you've had to pay more money for something because you forgot to do it in a timely manner, or you've been paying for something that you're not utilizing. This workshop is about exposing what your primary money leak is. I've identified 5 main money leaks, and this workshop's going to help you find your primary leak, figure out how much it's really costing you every year, and then give you some strategies to start plugging that leak so that you're not losing as much money. So if this sounds like something that you're ready to tackle in your business, join us for the workshop so that you can get the tools you need to be able to do it.